My name is Nick Sanders. I'm an inventor of the tangent drive. The tangent drive is a mechanism that converts reciprocating motion into circular motion. It does this in this model, which depicts a horizontally opposed or flat or boxer type engine. It does that by attaching pistons directly to what I call the Y plate, which moves only in the Y direction. Moving with being carried by the Y plate is what I call an X plate. That plate is allowed to move in the X direction or reciprocate in the X direction. And how this works is that embedded in the X plate, there is a ring gear which drives an output gear, and through shafting and gearing it can be connected to other mechanisms. How it works is that the ring gear basically does all of the driving, and it is held in contact by two engagement gears. There's a stationary engagement gear whose center line is aligned with the output gear, and an orbiting engagement gear whose center line is aligned with the ring gear. In operation, the center lines of both the ring gears, both the engagement gears rather, are aligned with the contact point of the output gear with the ring gear. This ensures continuous contact and tangent drive, so that in an engine where the pistons drive, the pistons would move horizontally only and drive the output shaft. If this was a pump arrangement, the input would be through the output gear and it would drive the pistons, of course. The advantage of this mechanism over a crankshaft connecting rod mechanism is that it delivers about 30% more torque. And in an engine, that converts directly into power or efficiency. The tangent drive is a development of the Enfield Engine Company in Enfield, New Hampshire. Again, my name is Nick Sanders, and thank you for listening.